夜12點，香港電台最新一節風暴消息。香港天文台發出最新熱帶氣旋警報，8號東北烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東北風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺午夜12點，熱帶風暴尼格集結喺香港天文台以南約60公里，即係北緯21.8度，東經114.2度附近，預料向西北移動，速約10公里，掠過香港南部水域，移向珠江口一帶。受到尼格同埋東北季候風嘅共同影響，本港南部正吹烈風，同時與尼格相關嘅狂風驟雨繼續影響本港。預料8號烈風或暴風信號會喺今日凌晨2點前維持。市民早上出門前，請留意最新天氣消息。預料尼格會逐漸減弱，當尼格減弱為一個熱帶低氣壓，或本港嘅風力顯著緩和嘅時候，天文台會改發較低嘅熱帶氣旋警告信號。海面有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。喺過去1小時，大老山、青洲及北角分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時87、73及55公里，最高陣風分別為每小時111、103及75公里。有關最新天氣情況，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分及踏正嘅風暴消息。
12 o'clock midnight, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. Here is the latest tropical cyclone warning bulletin issued by the Hong Kong Observatory. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected from the northeast quarter. At midnight, Tropical Storm Nalgae was centered about 60 kilometers south of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.8 degrees north, 114.2 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest at about 10 kilometers per hour, skirting the southern waters of Hong Kong, towards the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Under the combined effect of Nalgae and the northeast monsoon, gale force winds are affecting the southern part of the territory. Meanwhile, the squally showers associated with Nalgae continue to affect Hong Kong. The number 8 gale or storm signal will remain in force before 2 a.m. on today. Members of the public should take note of the latest weather bulletin before leaving home in the morning. Nalgae will weaken further. When Nalgae weakens into a tropical depression or local winds subside significantly, the observatory will issue a lower tropical cyclone warning signal. Seas are very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Green Island and North Point were 87, 73 and 55 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts 111, 103 and 75 kilometers per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on every hours of 15, 30, 45 and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報道完畢。